Hi, hope you're having an amazing day. As you saw from the title of this video, today we're going to be ranking my most recent Shop Miss A purchases. So most of these products I've actually mentioned in videos before. I've used them on my Instagram reels, I've used them on shorts and everything. So you guys have seen these in action if you guys follow me across all my other social media platforms. But today we're going to be ranking all of these. So starting at number 10 being the worst and number 1 being the best product that you can pick up from Shop Miss A. Let's get into it so you guys can see what products I chose for this video and in what category, what number they ranked. So if you want to see what I love and what I hate from Shop Miss A, just keep on watching. So if you didn't know, if you're new on my channel, I do have a whole Shop Miss A playlist. I do a lot of Shop Miss A videos, so if you want to see that, that's going to be linked down below. So starting off at number 10, we have 2 of their newest lipsticks. So these are cute. You know, I really love the packaging. I hauled these recently in a new Shop Miss A haul. Did end up picking up every single shade that they have from this collection. I love to pick up the whole collection of things, but then when I don't end up loving them, I kind of regret it. Okay, girl. So I feel like I kind of wasted my money on all the other colors. They're cute. I haven't gotten a chance to swatch them. Let me know in the comments down below if you want to see some lip swatches for me. Maybe I could do a little like short or reel, whatever. But the actual formula of these lipsticks is not the greatest for me and what I love. Now these are extremely creamy and I don't love that. Now the thing with me, if I have a lipstick, I want it to be something that doesn't move around, especially if I'm not going to be topping it over with a gloss. I love using my lipsticks to kind of like tap over a dark brown lip liner like what I'm wearing today. So when the lipstick itself moves and it kind of like transfers and it kind of moves all over and it's, you know, just that typical lipstick formula, that's basically what this is, and I'm just not living. Now these are pigmented, so nothing to say about the actual like pigmentation or anything. They're really cute. The colors themselves, you know, are not my favorite, but they're also not like colors that I hate. These also have like a light scent to them. Really cute. You do get a lot of product, I'd say, in these little tubes. Now another complaint that I have is that the top actually does come off extremely easily, so if it is rolling around your purse, it might open up and make a mess. So just keep that in mind. Be careful with that. Maybe wrap it with some I was gonna say glue. Wrap it with some tape or something if you want to enhance and like make sure that it doesn't open. But yeah, nothing to say about the packaging. This is so cute. The actual like images on there are adorable, but I think there's just a flaw with the actual like the top coming off and everything. It's just really easy to open. So for sure, be careful if you throw it in your backpack, in your purse, in your fanny pack, whatever it may be. Yeah, because these will open and make a mess. Again, super creamy. I don't know. If they were more on that matte kind of side of things, I think these were ranked a little higher. But because they are so creamy and they move around too much and they're not my personal lipstick preference, that's why they ranked at 10. So originally when I tried these glosses out on my channel, I used this one here. So these are their Lulu Luxie lip glosses. So these are basically lip gloss with glitter in them. Now the first time that I used this orange one. This is just their peach one. And then I ended up buying this kind of like cherry one. These are so cute. Again, their packaging is adorable. It's just the formula of these products that I'm not living for. Now these are cute if you want to give them to a niece, to your grandson, whatever, boy, girl, doesn't matter. But somebody who's younger, who loves that kind of like glittery lip gloss situation, it's cute for like recitals or whatever it may be. It's cute, but for me that I own so many other glosses that I love more, I much rather a clear gloss. If you guys hear that noise, it's my chair. Okay, girl. The thing with this, it's like the glitters are very chunky, so you do feel them on the lips. Now, not that it doesn't give you the most glowy, luxurious, kind of plump looking lips, but you taste the little like specks of glitter, and I felt myself eating the glitter as I was talking in my videos, so it was a little annoying. So I can see this being annoying for other people who talk a lot for their job, or they like to go out and about. Obviously you're going to be talking to people and you're going to feel the little chunks of glitter on your lips. You're going to be kind of eating them, so I'm not living for them now that I've tried them out more. First impressions, I really much love these. These are really cute for a cute little taking pictures, for photos kind of vibe. These are cute, but like days where I'm gonna be talking a lot, specifically on YouTube here, I'm making videos and all of that, I don't find myself reaching for these for that occasion. I don't know, so that's why they ranked at number 9. And number 8, we have some of their Easy Brow Gels. So I have the one in clear and we also have the one in dark brown. So let me give you guys an up close look at these products. These are basically a brow sets. There's a look at that. These are part of their Pawpaw line. So these retail for like about $155 on the site. So again, these are brow sets. So it's this one here, I have to say, is my favorite. It is the clear one, and the actual like spoolie that it comes with, it's actually really big, which is not my favorite because I feel like it kind of gets all over the place, which with the clear one, it's not a huge deal. But when I do go in with the dark brown, it does get everywhere, girl. It gets under the brow, it gets above the brow, it's just like gets everywhere but on the actual brow hairs. And this one does deepen up my brows as well, so keep that in mind. The color ones are pretty pigmented, so they are going to alter the color of your brow. That's why I much prefer the clear one. Also, when I do like this, usually if it gets like under or above, I can feel it, but it's not going to leave a mark. But with the dark one, it leaves the color of the brow gel, girl. So not that to say that's not easy to wipe off, because I just go in with another little spoolie that's clean with no product and kind of like wipe it off, and it comes off easily. But they're just a little messy. I wish the actual wand of these products were a little smaller, just so you can be more controlled and know where you're placing the product. But other than that, I recommend the clear one, not really the colored ones in my opinion. I just find myself reaching for the clear one a lot more. So yeah, that's that. And number 7, we have the Duo products that they came out with recently. So we have 2 of their Hello Define Duos. So these 2 do come with blush and a contour in each of them. Now these, I basically put them in the same category, but we also have this, which is also part of their Hello Glow Duo. Yeah, this is Hello Glow, and these are the Hello Define Duos. So we have the shade Any Young, we have the shade Aloha, and then we have the shade Konnichiwa. So I did originally buy Aloha, but I felt like the bronzer was just a little too light, which now that I'm looking at it, I can definitely use it as a blush if I wanted to. I love the light pink one. This is really cute, but I went ahead and bought the one above, the one that's a little darker, which is this one here in Konnichiwa. And I find myself not reaching for that bronzer because of how dark that is. Now, I don't know, maybe when I swatch it, it'll be better. It's just a little too dark. I wish there was something in the middle, maybe just a little lighter and a little darker than the bronzer in here. Not to say anything about the blushes. Blushes are amazing in all of these duos. Love the blushes. However, the like bronzer side, I'm just kind of like meh about. And then the blush in this one is really cute. However, I don't love the highlight in here. It's just too glittery. So yeah, I don't know. These are just not what I envisioned, and I thought they were going to be my go-tos because I love duo products or products that have more than one kind of face, especially like face shades and stuff. It's really easy for me to reach for, but these are not giving me life, and I'm not living for these. So yeah, that's why they ranked a little lower. They ranked at number 7. It's just I don't really recommend them, girl, to be honest. Yeah. And number 6, we have their little mini sponges. So they originally came out with the Pawpaw sponge, which I love and I use every single time that I do my makeup, girl. This is so used, and I literally use this every single time. So originally it was like this color, it was like a pink kind of moment, but literally I use it all the time. That is my most favorite sponge, apart from the Iony Cosmetics sponge. Is also really amazing from the 99-cent store. But these are just mini versions of the sponges, same kind of softness, and they do expand a little bit when you use them. I did use these in a full face of Shop Miss A recently, so it's going to be linked down below if it's up already. And these are cute. They're just too small for me, and I don't find myself reaching for these as often now. Like, they're cute for that video because I got to try them. They actually blended out the concealer really nicely, or any cream products that you want to use it for, but they're not practical for me and the way that I do my makeup, if that makes sense. So if you're a person who already uses small sponges and you find yourself they're a little too hard, they're a little too rough on your under eyes, try these. These are cute, but for me and the practicality and the way that I do my makeup and the routine that I have already made, I don't really reach for these. So that's why they ranked at number 6. Not to say that they're horrible, they're cute, but if you know, for me, I don't use them, so that's why they ranked a little lower. Now we're gonna get into the good products from Shop Miss A. We have 2 of their brow pencils. We have 2 of their dual brow definers. They recently came out with these. Now these are good. I think they would have ranked a little higher if the ebony shade wasn't as black as it is. It's just a little too dark for me. And funny enough, their slim brow pencil is the same shade name, so it's also ebony, but the other one is just a little lighter and it just looks a little more natural, if you will, on the brows. This one here is just a little too dark, almost Sharpie brow vibes, which I don't enjoy. Now I like the dark brown. I use the micro side a little more, to be honest, than the actual like teardrop side. So first off, let me start over. let me show you guys what this is. So this is a brow pencil. We have the slim brow side, which is just a skinny brow pencil on the one side. These are really nice, really creamy. Make sure you don't apply it too hard because they do kind of break easily. And then on the other side, we get a teardrop side, which is a little chubbier. As you can see, this one is new, literally haven't used this side at all. Now that's the thing about this product. I find myself reaching for the slim brow side a little more than the other side. I haven't used this side at all. I don't find myself wanting to be honest. I love their slim brow pencil for a reason, because it does shape out the brows really nicely. It's always nice and sharp, really easy to use. Again, don't press too hard because they do break. But I don't use the teardrop side. So I find myself debating in my mind, like, why even buy this product if I already have their slim brow pencils in bulk, because I buy them all the time. I have so many backups. That's the thing. That's what my mind is wrestling with. So for me, again, like, all of this is based on my opinions and what I like for my own personal brows and my makeup routine. So for me, would I go back and purchase these, or would I repurchase when they're gone? I don't think so, because I have so many backups of my slim brow pencil. That's what I use the most of. I find myself kind of like overlooking these a little bit. And number 4, we have some lip balms from Chamase. We have the Big Boss Balm. These are meant to smooth and hydrate. We have the peach one and we have the raspberry. You guys have seen these in action on my channel. I literally use these all the time. I love starting off with the lip balm before I go in with brows and all the face products, just to kind of give my lips some hydration before we start and apply everything else. I think it also makes the lips nice and soft before the lip products go on, which is just really nice. You don't want super like dry lips when you're applying your lip products, right? So I really love these. These are basically chubby lip balms. They're really nice and hydrating. They're not dry at all. They're just really good to just throw in your purse or when you travel. Really cute. So I really love these, which is why they ranked a little higher. And number 3, we have their highlight kind of moments. These are called Tropical Sierra Pressed Pigments. So these are very interesting products. This one here is in Sultry Moonlight. And then we also have this one, which is stunning, in Glimmering Palms. So this is part of their A+ line, which in the back, it does give you the information. It says parts of the proceeds support children's education, which, you know, is really great. You also do get on the ingredients in the back, and it tells you how long to keep this product. It is cruelty free. It is non-toxic. So again, these are really nice. I recently used this one here in a full face of Chamase. This is really beautiful. I went ahead and used the more like golden tones and kind of mix them together to create a beautiful highlight, and I love. Now if you're not into really bulky products, I don't know how much you're gonna love this or how it's gonna fit in with your collection, but me, myself, and I really love the presentation. I love that it's like a big bulky packaging, but it's also see-through, so you can see the beautiful images on the inside. This is so beautiful. This one I haven't used at all, but it is a pressed pigment palette, so I think you can use this as eyeshadow, you can use it as blush, whatever you want, because of the different colors that come in here. I think this is a very nicely like thought out product. It's also very innovative. You can use this for multiple things on your face, so that's why it ranked so high. But specifically this one here is really nice. I really enjoyed this for highlight. I could even use this as a blush if I wanted to. These are so cute. Next, we have 2 highlights from the Away Studio Everglow highlight line. We have the shade Magic Hour, and then we have the shade Morning Star. So these are more traditional kind of highlights. That's why they ranked at number 2. These are just nice and easy to use, and I really love that these are not super glittery. They just look really nice and almost natural on the skin, like a natural kind of glow from within vibe. And they're really cute. They come with a mirror. Love the compact. It's really nice and simple. This one here is in Magic Hour. Really cute. And then we have the one in Morning Star, which is more on the like orangey golden kind of moment. So these are really cute. Again, very nice and simple, easy on the go kind of highlights. So if you're looking for that, these are amazing. Lastly, at number 1, we have their CC creams. I did go ahead and use one of these yesterday. I used them the day before. I use them in a new Get Ready With Me video. So I've tested these out quite a bit, and I really love how this wears. It looks amazing on the skin. These are also very like full coverage, which is surprising because they are CC creams. These are the Away Studio CC cream color correcting creams. I have 2 shades here. We have the shade medium and the shade light medium. So from my experience, I've been using light medium, and this color just matches me well, but I have swatched them again on my channel before against each other, so I'm gonna have those videos linked down below. But these are actually really good, and I really much enjoy them. I find myself reaching for them more than I should, more than their other foundations on the site. These are again very like full coverage once everything is on. they're really good and they blend out really nicely. So again, I use the shade light medium and it works out for me very well. So if you're thinking about picking these up, pick one up, girl, because these are actually really, really good. So that was the last product for this ranking. Let me know your thoughts on these products in the comments down below, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you guys in my other videos. Bye.